How to put YouTube Shorts as a WhatsApp status without the link. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, simply what you need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Now let's go on to any of the shorts over here, or you can directly go to your own shorts by tapping on your profile and then on the your videos option. So let's tap on your videos over here and you can have your shorts over here. So if you want to share it, simply tap on the three dotted lines over here and tap on the option of share video. So tap on share video over here and here you can select on WhatsApp. As I tap on WhatsApp, it will directly link us to WhatsApp, and here you can simply select on the option of my status. So let's tap on my status, then tap on send, and here you can now just simply share it, and that's how you can put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without the link. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.